Everyone. This is Mandar from Copper, and I am going to talk about one of the core principles of financial planning, which is planning for your retirement. So, before I talk about this core principle, how many of you here have started planning for your retirement? So, please pause this video and comment below on the video and let us know if you have started planning for your retirement. And how is it that you have started planning for your retirement? For those who have not started planning for their retirement, the time is now. I hope you have written down your comments below. So let's get started, right? For many people, they think that retirement is a long time away, right? So let's say you're 25 years old and you plan to retire at the age of 50, right? So retirement is still 25 years away. I can, work at my pace and I can get to retirement. But when you reach that age of retirement, you usually see that you don't have any corpus that is left with you, right? You don't have any, you know, money that's left with you to take care of your expenses, right? Uh, According to one research in the United States, uh, you know, at the age of 65, uh, 95% of people are actually broke, which means they are living off government subsidies, right? And only four people are actually rich, and maybe one person actually is a millionaire, right? So that's a very telling stat. The simple reason is that people are not planning for their retirement and working towards their goal, right? They are not taking into consideration the fact that expenses are going to increase over a period of time, and inflation will kick in, which is essentially the cost of goods and products that increases over a period of time or on a year on year basis, right? So inflation will eat into your income, right? And if you don't save from day one, from today, right, it's going to be tough to lead a retirement life that has the same lifestyle as you have today, right? So let's say you need 50,000 rupees to for your monthly expenses, right? On retirement, this same 50,000 rupees might go up to lakhs of rupees, right? So there is a present value calculation which you can do, right? Or future value of money calculation which you can do by taking into consideration inflation, right? So this 50,000 rupees now is valued at, let's say, 2 lakh rupees in 25 years from now, right? So if you are saving 50,000 now, or your expenses are 50,000, they would go up to, let's say, 2 lakh rupees, right? And let's say you live after your retirement, let's say you live for another 25 years, right? So the average age, let's say, is 75. You live for another 25 years. So each year you require 25 lakh rupees, right? Multiply that by 25 years. So you require close to 6 crore, 6.25 crore rupees, right? On a totally, right, corpus. So you read a huge corpus for your retirement planning. So retirement planning as soon as possible is what we recommend, right? Make sure that you have a goal in mind, you have a corpus in mind, right? You know that I want to retire at the age of 50, and I might live at the till the age of 75 if you have dependents, a wife, kids, etc. If you plan to get married, right? So you need to cover their expenses and those retirement costs also. So you might require close to, let's say, 10 crore rupees or corpus at the time of retirement, right? Take after subtracting all your expenses for the next 20-25 years, right? So think about that. Think about a goal in mind that you have. right? And then reverse calculate and look at what you want to save on a month on month basis, right? So if you start early, you get a longer investment horizon, right? And there is this, I would say, the eighth wonder of the world, which is the power of compounding, right? If you invest 3 lakh rupees or 5 lakh rupees in your first year, right, that grows to, let's say, 5.5 lakh. Then you add in more money and that grows a little bit more, right? So every year, based on, compounding, your savings, they keep on multiplying. Your investments in mutual funds, they keep on multiplying on a year on year basis, right? And since, let's say, you start your retirement planning quite early, let's say you start it at the age of 25, right, and you have a larger investment horizon of 25 30 years, right? So that will help you, to grow your investments quickly and reach your goal. Maybe you'll be able to retire earlier also, right? So you get a substantial corpus in your old age, you can live comfortably, you can retire, and you can obviously go ahead and fulfill your bucket list, right? Just to summarize, plan for your retirement as early as possible if you have not done so, right? Start saving now towards your retirement so that you have a large corpus with the eighth wonder of the world, which is the power of compounding, right? And this will help you to plan for your long term investment horizon. I hope you like this video. If you have planned for your retirement, then please comment yes below. If you have not planned for your retirement, then please comment no, and we will help you out with your retirement planning. I hope you like this video. For more such information and videos and courses on financial planning, please visit Copper Academy. Have a good day.